Hello, my name is Karina Loria and I'll be talking about marijuana today. I will be talking about how I do not think that marijuana should be legalized recreationally, only for medicinal purposes. So what is marijuana? Everyone probably knows what marijuana is, but marijuana, it's also called weed, cannabis, grass, is a type of plant. So people use the dried flowers of this plant and they smoke them or eat them, ingest them in some sort of way to get high. So why is marijuana smoked? What makes you get high from it? So marijuana is smoked mainly for its psychoactive properties. There is a psychoactive ingredient present in marijuana called THC, and that is what makes people high. So what are the psychoactive effects of marijuana? THC, the compound in marijuana that gets an individual high, produces certain effects that are pleasurable to people. So it's like relaxation, euphoria, increased sensation, libido, auditory and visual illusions, heightened sensory perception, laughter, and increased appetite. So you feel good when you're taking it, you have like pleasurable sensations. There are also some negative sensations that you could feel. So some individuals experience anxiety, fear, distress, panic, and paranoia. Some individuals have also experienced like hallucinations when they smoke too much, or delusions, and a loss of personal identity. And that can happen when you smoke, when you're intolerant to marijuana and you smoke a lot of it, and you feel like you might be like on acid, or it's like a stronger feeling. It feels like a psychedelic. So marijuana has effects on the brain. So when smoked, we know that it produces a sense of euphoria, and it stimulates brain cells to release the reward chemical dopamine. And that pleasure center is targeted by other drugs such as heroin, alcohol, and cocaine. The drug also increases heart rate by between 20% and 100%, an effect which lasts up to 3 hours. So that can make someone feel kind of panicky. So THC, that chemical that we were talking about, causes the high, and the way it causes the high is it attaches to cannabinoid receptors in the brain and the hypothalamus. And these areas of the brain that it connects to, it's related to memory and cognition and movement. And this is what leaves people unable to operate machinery, drive safely, and remember what they're doing. A lot of people after taking the drug sometimes will have a blurry vision of what happened. They won't really remember it. So marijuana should not be completely legalized. In the